Patio doors play a huge role in how your home feels and functions. They bring in natural light, connect indoor and outdoor living, and influence your home's energy efficiency. But with constant use, and the intense desert climate in Gilbert, patio doors can start to show signs of wear. The good news? Many of the most common issues are easy to identify and often simple to fix. Here are the top patio door problems Gilbert homeowners experience and what you can do to get yours working smoothly again. Sticking or hard to slide doors. If your sliding patio door feels like it's fighting against you every time you open it, you're not alone. Dust, sand, and debris from Arizona's dry climate often build up in the track, making movement difficult. How to fix it? Clean the track using a vacuum to remove sand and dirt. Wipe it with warm, soapy water and dry thoroughly. Lubricate the rollers with a silicone-based spray. Avoid oil-based lubricants since they attract more dirt. If the door still sticks, roller adjustment or replacement may be needed. A professional can realign or swap out worn rollers quickly. Drafts or hot air coming through the door. Gilbert homeowners know how important a tight seal is when temperatures soar. If you feel warm air entering around your patio door, worn weather stripping or gaps in the frame might be the cause. How to fix it? Inspect the weather stripping for cracks, peeling, or missing sections. Replacing it is inexpensive and makes an immediate difference. Check for visible gaps between the frame and the wall. These can be sealed with caulk or expanding foam. If the glass itself feels hot or drafty, the door might benefit from upgraded energy-efficient glass designed for desert climates. Foggy or moisture-filled glass double-pane patio doors rely on a sealed airspace between the glass panels. Over time, especially with UV exposure, these seals can fail. When they do, moisture gets trapped inside, causing cloudy or foggy windows. How to fix it? Unfortunately, a broken seal can't be repaired. Glass replacement is usually the best solution and costs less than replacing the entire door. Upgrading to low-E or argon-filled glass can help reduce heat transfer and lower your cooling costs. Broken or loose handles and locks. A patio door is only as secure as its locking system. If the handle wiggles, sticks, or fails to lock properly, it may be worn down from repeated use. How to fix it? Tighten any loose screws on the handle plate. If the lock still doesn't catch, the latch or strike plate may be misaligned. A small adjustment can often fix this. For older patio doors, a new handle and locking mechanism can improve both security and ease of use. Damaged or warped door frames. Heat exposure in Gilbert can cause certain patio door materials, especially older vinyl or wood, to warp or swell. This leads to difficulty closing the door, visible gaps, or misalignment. How to fix it? Minor warping can sometimes be corrected by adjusting the hinges or rollers. Severe warping usually means the frame or door panel needs replacement. Modern materials like fiberglass or reinforced vinyl are built to handle high temperatures better than older designs. Excessive noise when opening or closing, grinding, squeaking, or scraping sounds are often early warning signs of mechanical issues. How to fix it? Clean and lubricate the track and rollers. Check that the door isn't rubbing against the frame due to misalignment. If noise persists, the rollers may be worn out and ready for replacement. When to call a professional? While many patio door problems can be solved with simple maintenance, some issues, like broken seals, severe warping, or malfunctioning locking systems, are best handled by a trained technician. Professional repair or replacement ensures your patio door operates safely, smoothly, and efficiently, especially in Gilbert's demanding climate. A well-functioning patio door improves comfort, security, and energy savings. With the right care and help when you need it, you can keep your patio door performing beautifully for years to come.